Okay friends, so today we are going to set up our GoPro. The first thing we are going to do is install the Quik app. So again, the first thing we need to do is install the Quik app. That's the first thing we need to do. And here is the Quik app. Let's go ahead and install it. And Quik Pro Video Editor. So looks like I've already installed it. Let me go ahead and open it up. And here it is. So let's just say continue as guest. Do you own a GoPro? Yes. Set up your GoPro now. Let's just say yes. And then it will say GoPro would like to use Bluetooth. Okay, go ahead and use Bluetooth. Would like to find and connect to devices on your local network. So this is our brand new GoPro, and let's just to start it we need to press over here, and here it is starting, and then you can see that what is happening over here. So this guy is saying that GoPro would like to find and connect devices on your network, and this guy is saying that, hey, would you like to use the English, right? So let me create some sort of thing over here so we can see what's going on nicely. So here it is saying that GoPro would like to find and connect devices on your network. So let's go ahead and say hello. And here it is saying, hey, what kind of GoPro do you have? Okay, so let's do it over here nicely. And so we'll say English over here, and then we have Hero Black, and we say okay, fine, agree. And then it says turn on your camera. We will say on, my camera is on, so continue. Okay, so it automatically found our GoPro, and we say connect camera. So let's see, GoPro 4669 would like to pair your iPhone. Go ahead and pair. So it has already paired it, and we'll just name it Hero 11 Black number 2, and we'll say done, and we'll say save name. Okay, so looks like GoPro is set up now, right? This was it. Camera update available, so we'll say update camera, and connecting to your camera's Wi-Fi. Your phone or camera will ask for permissions to access your GoPro. Go down. Okay, fine. GoPro 2 update, accept and continue. Okay, check your camera's micro SD card. Okay, so it's saying that we'll have to install some sort of micro SD card. So this is the final screen that is saying that, hey, your update is complete, and we have successfully updated our GoPro. All right, friends, so thank you for watching. And then to start the GoPro, we simply click on the power button on the left hand side, and here it is. And if we swipe right, it is in the video mode.